Hey there, frustrated because you can't create a Cash App account? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix Cash App you cannot create account and get you up and running. Whether you're new to Cash App or troubleshooting account creation issues, we've got practical steps and tips that can help resolve your concern. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted internet connection can prevent you from creating a new Cash App account. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, double check your connection stat. If necessary, restart your router or toggle your mobile data off and on. While it sounds simple, sometimes a reboot is all you need to fix connectivity issues and make the app function properly. Step 2. Verify device compatibility. Next, make sure your device is compatible with Cash App. Cash App requires a certain version of iOS or Android to run smoothly. On Apple devices, ensure your iPhone or iPad is using iOS version 12 or above. Android users, make sure your phone is operating on Android 5.0, Lollipop, or later. Updating your operating system can often solve compatibility issues that might be causing problems with account creation. Step 3. Update Cash App. Another crucial step is to update the Cash App to its latest version. Outdated app versions may contain bugs or glitches that interfere with creating an account. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any available updates to the Cash App. Keeping the app updated ensures you have all the latest features and fixes any previous issues. Step 4. Ensure accurate information entry. Be vigilant when entering your information. Typos in your email address, phone number, or other required fields can prevent successful account creation. Double-check each entry for accuracy. Additionally, if you're using a previously associated email or phone number, make sure they aren't already linked to another Cash App account. Only one account can be linked to one phone number or email address at a time. Step 5. Clear app cache and data. If you're still having trouble, try clearing the app's cache and data. This method can resolve issues related to corrupted data or files within the app. On Android, head to Settings, tap Apps, select Cash App, and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. iOS users can achieve a similar effect by uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If all else fails and you're still unable to create an account, reaching out to Cash App support might be your best option. To do so, open the app, navigate to your profile, and scroll down to tab Cash Support. From there, you can explain your issue in detail. The customer support team can offer specific advice or potentially resolve technical issues on their end. While dealing with account creation issues on Cash App can be frustrating, following these steps can help you troubleshoot the problem effectively. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your device and app are up to date. Input your information correctly, and if needed, contact support for further assistance. With these strategies, fixing the Cash App you cannot create account problem becomes straightforward and manageable. Good luck, and soon you'll be enjoying all the features Cash App has to offer.